you doing? Big up on yourself wherever you're watching from. My name is Tony Areo, aka Mr. Twa, and this is Into Deep Promotions YouTube channel. It has been a while since I last did a live, and today I'm really so excited connecting with you guys after a very long time. I hope you guys are doing good. Big up on yourself wherever you're watching from. My name is Tony Areo, aka Mr. Twa, and this is Into Deep Promotions YouTube channel. Yeah, I have a lot of good news. I have a lot of good news to share with you. Yeah, first of all, I want to thank every one of you for always supporting us on this channel here. So far, we are almost making it to 100,000 subscribers. And that is one thing that I want to appreciate our followers and our people out there for the massive support. Otherwise, it's a very chilly evening in Gulu City. It's cool, it's not hot, it's just chilly. Yeah, I have some good news for people out there who like to have fun and chill and have a good time. On the 3rd of May, we are going to be having the electric concert happening at Acholi Inn Gardens. Expect great performances from your favorite artists like Battle Lover Boy, Easy the Lyrical Gino, Janet Priska, who else is on the lineup? Kamuzu, Doggy Kiss. It's going to be so massive, and you don't have to miss out. All roads will be leading to Acholi Inn Gardens on the 3rd of May. Yeah. And every Tuesday, we always have the jam session at Murphy's Lounge opposite Gulu Independent Hospital. If you happen to be in Gulu or you're traveling to come to Gulu on a Tuesday, don't get bored in the city because we always have the jam session at Murphy's Lounge. And we normally have great band performances, live band performances from the Smart Band. The Smart Band consists of some guys who play very good band music. In the team, we have Nessa, we have Fatsi, and we have Timmy G that always represent every Tuesday. So, if you're a big fan of band music, make sure that every Tuesday you make it up to Murphy's Lounge, Gulu, opposite Gulu Independent Hospital. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting. I'm not really feeling so well. I'm having some flu, but I thought I should check on you guys after a very long time of not going live. But all in all, yeah, we're good. Everything is pushing on well. And wherever you're watching from, I'm sending big shots out to you. Don't miss out on massive fun at the electric concert that is going to be happening at Acholi Inn Gardens on the 3rd of May 2025. Massive performances from Pato Lava Boy, Easy the Lyrical Gino, Jenny Priska, Maria A, Doggy Kiss, Kamuzu, and many more. We shall also be having the podium DJs representing the podium DJs. We're going to be having DJ Joel Fresh, DJ Frisco, DJ Dre, and it's going to be hosted by MC Young Money, Kaboom, and MC Cash Wakabi. So, 3rd of May, all roads will be leading to Acholi Inn Gardens. Make sure that you do not miss out. 3rd of May 2025, I repeat, all roads will be leading to Acholi Inn Gardens for the electric concert. I look forward to seeing you there. Otherwise, big up on yourself and thank you so much for always supporting. Sending you love from Gulu City. Yeah, this is Into Deep Promotions YouTube channel.